left.
Got it.
I created this animated film using SEEDANCE 2.5. Yes, SEEDANCE 2.5 is now here, and honestly, the result is pretty amazing. I tested it, and not only that, I created a full animated short film using SEEDANCE 2.5 and an agent inside Lovart AI. Yes, you don't have to worry about the API or prompting. You can access SEEDANCE 2.5 inside Lovart, and the agent will write the prompt for you. In this video, I will share my full workflow and the experience. So, let's dive in. First, let's talk about why there's such hype around SEEDANCE 2.5. That's because it can generate 30-second videos from a single generation at native 2K resolution. It supports 50 references and native audio with perfect lip sync. And the result is pretty amazing. Okay, enough talk. Now, let's actually create the video. I am inside Lovart AI, one of the best platforms for creators and marketers. Here, you can access all the powerful generative AI models, including SEEDANCE 2.5, Minimax H3, Kling 3, GPT Image 2, Nano Banana, Seedream, and more. You can even create 3D models using Lovart. And everything happens inside one infinite canvas, and all the heavy lifting is done by the agent. I will put the link in the description. You just have to click on the link and create an account. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. Now you can enter your content idea inside this box and set the template to create content. You will find all the models here. SEEDANCE 2.5 has already been added here. You can just select the model and create content. Let's try this out. I am selecting the SEEDANCE 2.5 model. Once the model is selected, we have to enter the prompt here in this box. I am entering a ready prompt. You can see the prompt here. I have references, perfect timestamps for every shot, and the prompt is very detailed. Now we have to add the reference images. Just find the subject in the prompt, put the cursor, and then click on the plus button, and then upload the related reference image. You should take your time to set all the reference images, because a perfect reference gives you the best result. SEEDANCE 2.5 allows you to add 50 images, 10 videos, and 10 audio clips as reference. Okay, once all the references are added, hit the Generate button, and you will be moved to the Lovart canvas. The agent is working, and here it is. The video is generating, and this is the result.
You're alive?
That creature belongs to the Empire. Surrender it, or die with your ship.
Look at the quality. The movement, consistency, lip sync, and even the voice design is perfect. SEEDANCE 2.5 is really the best AI video generator model right now. Okay, now let's start creating our film. I am creating a new project. You can create from the homepage also. Now, you can add the image, video, or text nodes manually and create the content. However, as I will use the agent to handle all the work, I am coming to the agent. Now here in this prompt box, you can enter your idea, and the agent will create all the content for you. For example, I am typing, create a 3D animated fantasy short film with this idea, and then entering my idea. After entering the idea, you can add elements or turn on the web search feature from here. After that, make sure the agent mode is turned on. In the end, you can select the AI model. I will go with Auto. Now once you hit the send button, the agent will search across the web and create the best plan for your video. Once the plan is ready, just review it and then customize it if needed. If you are satisfied with the result, just go ahead with it. And here it is. You can see that the agent is creating the visual elements for our film. Once all the images are ready, it will create all the video clips, BGM, and then assemble the final video. Everything is automated. You don't have to do anything. This is what a true agentic workflow looks like. However, you can notice that it used SEEDANCE 2.0 to create the video clips. That's because we simply go with the auto mode, and the agent thinks that's the best. Although this is the easiest and quickest method of creating content, we don't have much control in our hands. This is perfect if you are creating a short product video, short clips, or marketing materials like posters, social posts, or any other promotional content. The agent handles it perfectly. However, when you are making much longer content with a complex arc and so many elements. I suggest going step by step. Okay, let's create our film. First, I will write the script for the film. I am typing. I want to make a 3D animated fantasy short film with this idea. I am entering the same idea as before. After that, I am typing again. Now, can you please write the full screenplay for me? The film should be 2 minutes long. Once done, hit the send button. We don't have to change any settings. And here it is. You can see that the agent is writing the screenplay for us. And here it is. The screenplay is ready. Now preview the screenplay and then customize if needed. If you already have the script, you can enter the script and go ahead. Okay, once the screenplay is ready, we will create all the subjects for our video. I mean all the characters, locations, and props. Later, we will use them as references during the video generation with the SEEDANCE 2.5 model. So I am asking the agent. Now identify all the key elements from this screenplay and create a design sheet for all the possible characters, locations, and props. Use GPT Image 2 model to create the images. Now once you hit the generate button, the agent will analyze the screenplay, detect the subjects, and then start generating the images for all the subjects. You can see that it's using GPT Image 2 to create the images as per my request. And here it is. The first batch of the images is ready. It creates the character sheet, 2 location sheets, and the props sheet. First, we have the character sheet. There are 2 characters in this sheet. Each character has a portrait image, full body view side by side, expression, and character details. Same as the location. You can see the multiple views of both the location images. In the end, we have all the props under a single design sheet. Okay, all the design sheets look really amazing. However, I find some major flaw here. You can notice that both characters look similar. And what I can remember from the screenplay, we have a female character. Another important thing, even if both the characters are perfect, when we will use them as reference, the video model will confuse which character to pick. So, I will create a separate design sheet for each character. I don't need to do anything, just ask the agent to do it. And here it is. You can see that the agent is generating 2 character sheet images using GPT Image 2. And here it is, the images are ready, and you can see the result. Now both the characters are perfect. Now in the similar method, I will create a separate design sheet for every prop. And here it is. All the props images are ready. And they look really amazing. Okay, all the subject images are ready. Now it's time to generate the video clips. To create perfect videos, we need perfect prompts. So, I will generate the scene-by-scene prompt first. I am typing. That's great. Now, I want to make the video clips using the SEEDANCE 2.5 model. So, first create detailed SEEDANCE 2.5 multimodal prompts. No scene should be longer than 30 seconds. This time, I will enable the web search button. So, the agent can search across the web to find the best prompt formula. Now, hit the send button. And here it is. The prompts are generating. Okay, all the prompts are ready. Let's have a look at them. Honestly speaking, the prompts are pretty basic. We can't expect the best result with these basic prompts. So, I will regenerate the prompt. And to get the best result, I will add a sample prompt. By the way, you will find the prompt in the description box. I will enter the prompt and ask to regenerate all the prompts. The prompts are generating. And here it is. All the prompts are ready. Now, look at the prompts. They are really amazing. Now they are perfect. Okay, the next step is video generation. We don't have to do anything. Just type, approve, and hit send. The agent will analyze all the prompts and then assign SEEDANCE 2.5 to create the video clips. You can see that the video clips are generating. And here it is, all the video clips are ready. Now you have to preview them. The results are really amazing. The character, location, and props are consistent. Camera work is amazing. In one word, SEEDANCE 2.5 is now the best AI video generator. However, if you find any issue, you can edit the video. For example, in this scene, it looks like both characters are fighting each other, and I want them to fight together against the leeches. So I am asking the agent to do it. Hit generate, and you can see that the video is generating. And here it is. The video is ready. Now, it's perfect. So we don't need to fully regenerate the video. Instead of that, we can edit the exact part of the video. And SEEDANCE 2.5 is damn good at this. So, preview all the video clips and fix if anything goes wrong. Alright, all of the video clips are ready. Now it's time to assemble them and create the final video. I will tell the agent to do that. And here, you can see that the agent is generating the BGM. Once the BGM is ready, It will create the final video. And here it is. Our final film is ready. Let's have a look.
You stole the moon chart, Kai. Again.
And you're still pretending the sky belongs to your precious knights.
The core bind. Mother showed us once.
I remember.
This is really amazing. So, we just now created this amazing animated fantasy short film using SEEDANCE 2.5. And what exactly did we do? Just chat with the agent. So, if you have any idea, it's time to bring them to life. Not only film or animation, following this method, you can create any kind of content inside Lovart AI. So, don't forget to give it a try, the link in the description. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more AI filmmaking tutorials. Now go make something amazing. I'll see you in the next one.